Hi, I'm Julie, and I'm here to help you understand what is customer feedback and how to capture it. Let's start with what customer feedback is. Customer feedback are insights captured from customers about their experience with your products and services. It's one of the essential tools to improve customer experience and grow your business. In fact, 83% of companies that implement customer feedback programs increase their revenue faster. They also experience much higher retention rates and a decrease in service costs. But for customer feedback to drive growth, it's important to collect customer insights correctly. With the right feedback software, you can capture customer feedback in real time when people interact with your products and services. We will teach you how to do this in this video. At ProProfs, we believe that software should make people happy. So you're going to find our user research and customer feedback tool, Qualaroo, is delightfully easy to use. Qualaroo isn't just a customer survey tool. While most survey tools ask questions after the fact via email, Qualaroo collects feedback in context, right in the web, mobile, or app experience delightfully. Feedback captured in context is 10 times more powerful than email surveys, since it's more detailed, accurate, and has a significantly higher response rate. We invented the Qualaroo Nudge to allow you to target visitors to your website or app in real time, based on time on site, button clicked, purchase history, or more. You can then channel these insights to improve customer experience, grow sales and conversion, reduce bounce rate, perform user research, and more. I know sometimes it's easiest to start with the end in mind, so I wanted to quickly walk you through some examples of capturing customer feedback, doing user research, and more. With no learning curve, you can get started quickly and create any kind of survey with Qualaroo. For example, you can create a Net Promoter Score or NPS survey to measure customer loyalty and retention. You can track it with time in the report section to compare the NPS scores. You can create a customer satisfaction survey using different scales like numbered scale, rating scale, and emoji to gauge how happy your customers are with your products and services. A customer effort score or CES survey to see how easy it is to use your product or website. A user research survey to understand customers' needs and pain points. You can then use these insights into the product development cycle to build and optimize your products to increase sales and conversions. A market research survey to understand and know your target market for designing personalized campaigns. You can also create a content feedback survey to assess the quality of your blog posts and website copy. If you have a specific survey type in mind, you can create it with Qualaroo in minutes. Qualaroo is trusted by leading brands worldwide and many more to map customer expectations, build better products, optimize marketing campaigns, boost conversion rates, and improve retention rates to grow their business. Creating a survey with Qualaroo is easy. Start by picking a survey template. You can browse through our ready-to-use, professionally designed survey templates on many topics, such as user research, customer feedback, product feedback, conversion optimization, and more. Templates include commonly used surveys and feedback types, such as NPS, user effort score, system usability scale, UX surveys, ease of use, user research, such as persona surveys, 5-second test, and many more micro-surveys. By the way, you can also create a survey from scratch by clicking on this button if you want. For this video, let's choose this Ready NPS survey. On the question editor screen, you can add, edit, or remove any question. To add a question, choose the question screen from Add Step. Type in your question, select the desired answer type from over 12 options, and add the response anchors. Each question is optional by default, but you can choose to make it mandatory. Next, use question branching to ask relevant questions based on a user's previous response. It redirects the respondent to relevant follow-up questions based on their answer. Tick the checkbox to enable branching and choose the follow-up question next to each response. And yes, make sure there are no incomplete branches in the survey. Since Qualaroo surveys run on your product or website, you can automatically feed in information such as customer name, email, purchase history, etc. to the survey using Qualaroo Identity API. That way, your team knows exactly who answered the question without even asking the user for any information. Now that we're happy with the questions, let's add some trigger conditions to show the survey to the right people at the right time and collect actual in-context feedback. Qualaroo's advanced targeting screen offers over 40 click-to-activate options to target desired audience. You can choose to whom, when, and how to show the survey. For NPS, let's show it to users who are returning, have been on the website for at least 1 minute, so we are only asking engaged users. And let's capture this pulse every 30 days. For the time interval, we will set it to deactivate manually since this is an ongoing survey. Also, let's choose to notify feedback at ourcompany.com of the response. You can enable more targeting options by using third-party integrations with Qualaroo. For example, showing the survey to specific visitors assigned to a particular variation in your A/B test with Optimizely Qualaroo integration. The final step is to configure the survey design and appearance. Qualaroo lets you edit the color scheme, font size, background image, and position of the survey nudge. Make sure to add your brand logo to align the survey with your website theme. The NPS survey is ready. Activate it to start collecting valuable on-site customer insights. Since these responses are collected from specific users in context while they are on your website, the quality of feedback and response rate is 10 times higher than email surveys. Also, once the Qualaroo script is enabled, you can launch new surveys anytime for any section or set of users without bothering your developers. In the Report section, you can track survey performance metrics and monitor the NPS score with time to get real-time updates. You can also view individual responses and respondents' metadata. You can also view any additional data that your app or website passed in, such as customer type, name, email, phone, purchase history, and more. To make analysis easier and faster, Qualaroo employs an AI-based sentiment analysis engine. It digs deep into the free text responses to automatically group them based on visitor emotions. And with the inbuilt word cloud generator, you can uncover what your visitors are talking about the most without analyzing each response manually. This way, you can close the feedback loop quickly with a data-driven approach to understand your customers, resolve their issues, deliver a better experience, and grow your brand with Qualaroo. Okay, so that's a really quick way to get started. We're happy you joined Qualaroo and are here to help if you need us. We have live chat, phone help, and a huge knowledge base. Bye for now.